Ada lagi dekat asam penuh.
Is it delicious?
Yes, it's delicious.
What's delicious, Hasan?
Cupcake. The brown ni.
Yay!
Part 2. Children can learn skill building through food experience. Point 1. Small muscle coordination. Mixing foods and pouring liquids from one container to another are ways in which children develop coordination. The small muscles in the hands develop. Children can hold a large spoon and help in mixing process when using a recipe. The measuring, pouring, and mixing foods all require the use of small muscles as well as hand-eye coordination. Food activities provide excellent small motor activities for young children. Point 2. Simple measuring skills. Using cups and spoons that have marks showing amounts, a child begins to understand measurements. Example, a child understands that a tablespoon is larger than a teaspoon. A cup holds more than a tablespoon. They learn that by using too much flour, water, or salt, recipes don't turn out quite well when the correct amount are used. They understand that the amount of each ingredient used makes a difference in the final product. Older children can be challenged to make one half of a recipe or double it. Give them a real-life opportunity to practice multiplication, practice fractions, and division skills. Last but not least, skill building on social skills. Food experiences are natural avenue for social learning. Example, mixing, measuring, decorating, and eating all provide opportunities for talking with others, exchanging ideas, sharing likes and dislikes, and learn about each other. During preparation of food, children will talk more freely about themselves and their lives. In cooking, a child may need help in holding a pan while pouring something into it by help carrying ingredients. Children will work together and their social skills develop in the natural give and take of group experiences. Cooking activities provide children a chance to share information with each other about family recipes and food preferences. Learning about each other's cultural differences occurs naturally in cooking experiences.
Belum. Kacau.
Kacau. Ya.
Lepas tu masukkan telur. Tak pandai tu.
Telur guna ni Tu ratakan dulu lah.
Kejap. Ali, satu-satu. Masukkan dia kot. Masuk dulu.
Satu-satu.
Satu-satu. Kacau, Husna. Baik, tunggu Husna dulu. Kuat tak Husna? Baik, Husna. Tunggu tempat. Dia tak pakai mixer je? Tak. Abang nak masukkan butter Kau pakai butter apa? Butter top ke golden? Butter insert je Nana.
Ali, say hi to video. No.